update on the storm. It is getting closer, and I now can see orange right there. Also, there are some mist-looking fogs been out there. It's getting a bit foggy, and more clouds coming in. Wind direction that way. That's wind direction over there. But I think those clouds are moving closer. There is a chance the rain could be from there. But from the stratospheric clouds, I can tell that there's definitely a big storm coming. Third one step, there's some wind around the sun when a really big storm's coming. Lots of airplanes flying in. Right there. And that's the sun. Oh, that's bright. Oh, that's closer than I thought. Right. I'm going to release part 3 at about 1 PM when it starts. The moment it starts raining. See ya.